James, look at the size of this tyre
Stunning.
and wheel. It's huge. It's for a tractor.
It is, and that's why we're here. So this is D&S Factors. Here, it was all about changing the way that they ran their business. So it used to take them approximately half a day to make something like this.
Wow.
It's now half an hour. So the journey was about getting into CNC. 12 months into that journey, it was so successful, they bought a bigger one.
Really?
So, yep, let's go and see how they did it.
Let's have a little look. James, what are they making here?
Well, essentially, tractor wheels.
Right.
It's a little bit more complicated than that, but Neil asked me in to look at improving the process on the manufacturing of tractor wheels. But rather than me tell you about it, I'm going to hand over to the man, Neil himself, and he can tell you the whole journey.
He's confident, he's going to tell us.
Thank you.
Right, thank you. Right, Neil, old process.
Yes, old process is this way, this 1950s radial drill that we've had for years and years and years. Everything worked well for all this time since 1981 when we first started, but we decided that we needed to go down a different route to speed things up. We're in a time-sensitive industry here where farmers need things very, very quickly during the season. And we brought on a new sales guy who had previously used a HAAS machine, and he recommended that we have a look into it. So we looked into it, and now here we are.
You know what's impressive? This has all happened in the last 12 months, and you've got 2 machines here.
Yeah, that wasn't the plan, but it's...
I like it, that wasn't the plan.
It's escalated very, very quickly. So we started off with the VF5. We didn't want to invest a silly amount of money to start with, just for cash flow and things like that. So we thought, let's start with the small machine. We can get a certain size disc on it. Let's see how it goes. I had no idea about the system at all whatsoever.
You didn't know anything about the system?
I'll be honest with you, I wasn't even the person that was going to be learning how to use it, but it just turned out that way. And I thought, I can't ask somebody else to do the job if I can't do it myself. So that's how we started. So we started with this one. And then the plan was, after about 5 years, was to get a bigger machine so we could get all of our size discs on.
Yes.
I say 5 years, it's actually been 6 months, so it speeded up very quickly.
But that's amazing, that's the reality of it. So you went for the VF9.
We did, yeah.
So why this machine? Let's come and have a look.
Yeah, yeah.
So what, is it the table size then?
It's the table size, yeah. Some of these discs, I mean, you've seen the tractors nowadays, the wheels are absolutely massive on tractors, and we just couldn't fit it in. So what we'll do, we'll run both of these machines simultaneously. So the fronts will be on the small machine, the rears will be on the big machine, and we can turn out a full set of wheels in a day.
I mean, time, you know, when we're talking about, you've got some huge time savings here.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
What's that done for the business?
Oh, it's massive, because it's not just about price in this industry, it is about speed.
Yeah.
So that's what's going to make us win over what everybody else is doing. Not necessarily the price, but just the fact that we can do it so quickly.